Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can manage your Shopify site, so let's get right into it. Now, once you've created an account and actually made a site, you'll have access to this dashboard right over here. Now, as you can see, this is a completely fresh site, completely new account, and as you can see, you have some of these steps which you need to go through so that you can actually launch your store. Now, you can add your first product, you can design your online store, you can add a custom domain if you have one, you can name your store, set shipping rates, set up a payment provider, and place a test order, and you can do all of this, and once you're finished with that, you will be able to launch your store. However, you do have other options which you can go through. You have orders which you can manually edit, or well, you need a plan to edit them and to actually view them. But once you have a plan, you'll have access to all your orders, which are placed outside of your dashboard here. And you might also be able to manually enter some. And you can also go to drafts and abandoned checkouts to see what people were browsing. You can also go to product and add a product or import products you already have on other storefronts, as well as see any collections, see the inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. You can also set the quantity for your items here, and I do have another tutorial on how that is done, so check it out if you want to know. And you can also go through your customers, add custom customers if you want to, or other customers will be automatically added once they add a order. You can also go to content, and you have meta objects and files which you can add to your site. You can also go into analytics and go into reports and the live view to see your statistics for your site. You can go into marketing and then set up campaigns or automations, and you can set up your entire marketing campaign through these ads you see here. You can use Shop, you can use Snapchat ads, pretty sure you can integrate Facebook and Instagram here as well. And you can go into discounts and set up any discounts for your items if you have them on your site. You can also add coupon codes, gift cards, whatever you want. They will be used here, or they will be set up here, so you can use them there. You also have point of sales where you can set up your staff, your locations, and your settings if you want to. And you also have the online store, which is in regards to what your website will actually look like. You can set up your theme, you can add blog posts, pages, navigation, tools, and you can set up other preferences. And if you click customize here on the theme, you'll be taken to the website customization screen, which is similar to other website makers such as Wix or WordPress, and you can use it to customize what your online storefront looks like. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.